In the previous video, you saw the agent investigate a real security event. Now let's open it up and see how it actually works. There are 4 pieces that make the agent work: the tools, the permissions, your email, and the code. If one of these is missing, the agent can't function. Let's start with the tools. In VS Code, there are 4 Python files for the 4 tools. Each one calls a different AWS service. The CloudTrail tool pulls the user's activity from the 60 minutes surrounding the event. That gives the agent context, not just a single data point, but a full picture of what that user was doing. The EC2 tool checks the security group that was modified, what ports are open, and to which IP ranges. The SES, or Simple Email Service tool, sends the alert email. The Security Hub tool logs the finding. So you write the functions, and the agent decides when to call them. Next, let's look at permissions. Nothing works without permissions. In IAM, you can see that AgentCore and Lambda each get their own IAM role. Let's look at the permissions in the AgentCore role. The role lets the agent call services like CloudTrail, EC2, Secrets Manager, Security Hub, and SES. Let's look at the Lambda role. This role lets Lambda invoke the agent and write logs to CloudWatch. Next, let's look at Secrets Manager, where your email address is stored. The agent needs your email address to send alerts. Secrets Manager stores it securely. I'm in AWS Secrets Manager, and this is the secret name. Your email address is hidden by default. To view your email address, you'll need to click Retrieve Secret Value. The agent fetches your email securely at runtime. It's the same pattern for anything sensitive like API keys, passwords, or tokens. Keep them out of your code and in Secrets Manager. Finally, let's look at the code in agent.py. Agent.py defines the agent, the model, the tools, and the system prompt. The system prompt tells the agent the goal, how to think about the investigation, and how to assess the severity from critical down to informational. Your risk logic is defined here. It also defines the entry point, the function that receives events from Lambda and hands them to the agent. Then, you deploy the agent with one command. You'll use this command in your terminal to deploy the agent. With this one command, AgentCore packages your code and deploys it to a managed runtime in AWS. So that's 4 pieces: tools, permissions, the email address, and the code. Put them together and you get what you saw in the Part 1 video, an agent that detects, investigates, and alerts all on its own. The full lab and setup steps are in the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.